Hello everyone and welcome back to iDay. This is the fourth video in the series. So far we have covered our covers, our tabs, and our washi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your dashboards. Your dashboards are the cover pages for each one of your custom tabs. You can keep an index on them. You can decorate them a solid color. You can put icons on them, photos, pockets. There are so many things that you can do with these dashboards. And I have noticed with users and myself as well that they don't get utilized, and they're a perfect spot to identify what is behind that tab. So I'm going to show you how to decorate them, and I'm going to use the spiral template in Keynote using an iDesign Keynote shape, but you could do so much more with them. You can set up a collection of stickers for something that would be behind that tab. You can set up a collection of pictures that you want to organize behind that tab. You can use it as a brain dump for things that will be set up and organized behind that tab. So the dashboards are really important. I tend to use a lot of sticky notes on my dashboards. I decorate them like I do my covers, and a lot of them are solid or stripes, just something very minimalistic. And then what I do is I throw anything that pops into my mind, I just throw the sticky note onto that dashboard. And then when it comes time for me to organize and follow through with a project, I go back to the dashboard and I see all the things that I've just thrown on that dashboard and collected. It's so important for me to keep things out of my brain, but know that they're somewhere and they're organized somewhere. And even though I'm throwing them on the dashboard, I know they're in a place where they will eventually get looked at, touched, and organized. And that's so important. Okay, so let me show you how to create a dashboard. And it's basically something that we've already learned because we've already done covers, and it's the same thing, but you're using the spiral template. All right, so let's go to our Keynote, and we're already in the spiral template because we were using it for the washi. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a right side and add it. And I'm going to also get a left. Okay, so I've made both of them the same size as my workspace. And for this video, I'm going to do something, I'm going to do a solid color, but I'm going to stay within the productivity patterns and colors, but I'm going to do a solid because I want to do pockets on my dashboard. All right, so let me go ahead and fill the left side. And again, I'm going to scroll to productivity. And you don't have to use the theme that I'm using. You can use any one of the themes that are available in the iStore. I am actually using this one theme so that everything flows the same throughout my whole iPlanner for the full year. All right, so that's my left, and I'm going to apply my favorite style, which is the drop shadow, and it's the outward curve. And I'm going to do the same thing to the right side, only I'll probably do it a different color. And I'm going to apply my style. Okay, that's done. All right, for my pockets, I'm going to go to the patterns. And I'm going to grab this pattern and copy it. Go back over to my dashboard, and I'm going to paste. I'm going to double tap and delete that one side. And I'll just play a little bit here with the size. Of course, I want to line it up. And I'm going to also apply the drop shadow to this one as well. And then for this one, I'm going to add one of the patterns that come with the productivity. I just think that would look really, really cool. And let's see, for this one, I think that one would match. Oh yeah, that matches really nice. All right, so I'm really happy with that. And then let's do something with the left side. I'm going to go ahead and copy this because it's already sized and has a style applied to it. I'm going to paste and flip it. I want to apply another pattern, a different pattern. Something that matches the blue a little bit better. I think that one looks really good. All right, so here's the thing with pockets. If you want to use the pockets, like put things behind it, like they're in the pocket, you'll have to copy and paste this over in 2 separate stickers, which is not a big deal. I mean, that works perfectly. However, every time you add something new to the pocket, you'll have to cut and paste the pocket back over that image that you added to go inside the pocket, which I think looks really neat. So if you have some that you're just going to leave in there or going to stay in there to identify what this page is all about, that would be perfect. However, if you just want to splash stuff around and put some paper clips on it and things like that, you don't have to do that. I just splash stuff on my dashboard and they don't live there for very long. So I just want the pocket for visual purpose, just to make my planner look a little more realistic. So what I'm going to do is I am going to select all and copy. And I'm going to come over to my iPlanner and I'm going to advance over to the tab and paste. And of course I'm going to have to crop. I just think this looks fantastic. And then I'll have to size it. And of course, I'm going to have to get my washi out from behind, which I'll wait till I get my right side over. And once I place my right side down and get it sized and cropped, then I will get my washi on top. Okay, that is going to be close enough since we don't have a year to sit here and play with GoodNotes. Okay, so I'm going to cut the washi. I'm going to put my pocket dashboards in place, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste my washi on the top. Now, isn't that wonderful? And like I said, if you want to do these pockets, if you want to copy them over, these as backgrounds and then these separately, they'll be separate stickers, and then whenever you add something and you want them behind the pocket, you can just cut and paste the pocket back on top every time you put something or slip something into the pocket. It just depends on how realistic you want to get with your iPlanner. And of course, you can make these dashboards without using pockets at all. And again, just like with the covers, all the iPlanners come with dashboards already installed in the planner, so you don't have to do any of this. So it's up to you how much detail you want to get into in decorating your planner and setting up your planner, or you can just stay with the way it comes out of the box. Okay, I want to see your dashboards, and I am counting all of your homework that is being displayed below each video, and you are adding up your odds for iStore bucks. I will see you in the next video. Bye.